have an OpenAI update that I'm very excited about. So now in ChatGPT Plus, you are able to offer a review for your favorite GPT. Since I am the maker of a GPT, I would love for you to submit your 5-star reviews about Social Butterfly AI 2.0 if you have used it and if it's been beneficial to you. Let me show you how you can do that. So, when you're in the Social Butterfly AI user interface, you can go over to the drop down menu and scroll down to almost the bottom and click review and boop. And then I've already submitted a review, of course. So you would just submit and then boom, you've made your review. So if you would take a moment and submit that review, it would be so helpful to Social Butterfly AI 2.0, and I would appreciate it so much. So please do that if you would. All right, and then one other thing. There's a new About feature in the drop down menu. So if you want to get info about the GPTs that you use frequently, you can do that in the drop down menu over here to the left, as well as the privacy settings. And you won't see the Edit GPT button unless you've built the one that you're in. But other than that, those are the new features that are currently present. I think they're pretty exciting. I hope you do too. And I hope you will log right on and submit your 5-star review for Social Butterfly. All right, that's it for now. I will be back in a little while with another update for this Monday. Talk to you soon.